Hello, I'm Vicky. I made my art attack by gluing string along the lines of my picture. I then put PVA glue on it and sprinkled sand over it.
Hi, I'm Hayley, and this is my sand art picture. First I drew the design, then stuck string down with glue. When the picture dried, I then painted it.
Brilliant art attack, sand pictures. They look like sort of ancient Aztec warrior designs, what with all that sand and tribal warrior face paint. And they're very easy to do. Great fun as well. Just cut the side from a cardboard box and then draw on a very simple design. Now, tribal faces work brilliantly for this. And just do a very simple tribal face and just divide the face into sections to look like tribal warrior makeup. Now, I think the idea with that tribal warrior makeup was to scare away the enemy. So just make your face look as gruesome and as ugly as you possibly can. Just make it look really funny. I think that's, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll put the mouth open there and I think the tongue sticking out like that. This should scare off the enemy. And then when you've done your face, just do a border or a frame around the outside. And then decorate it with squiggles and patterns. And you can, if you want, at this stage, paint it. But if you want to give it a real tribal effect, then take some PVA glue and just slop your PVA glue very carefully onto those lines that you've drawn. And instead of having a design that's got black lines that are drawn on, into that glue, I'm going to stick lengths of string, and the idea is go over all of those lines with the glue and stick string in instead of having pen or pencil lines. And when you've done the whole picture in the same way, just put it to one side to dry, and when you've done the whole thing and it's dry, you'll have something that looks like that. See that? The whole thing is now covered in string instead of pen and pencil. Then take some more PVA glue and just slop loads of glue onto your picture. And you may think it looks a bit of a mess at this point. Well, you'd be dead right. But wait and see what happens. And just spread all that glue out into the corners, into the nooks and crannies. And when you've covered the whole thing in glue, before the glue dries, take some sand and sprinkle sand over everything. Just sprinkle it over all of that glue. And when you've covered everything, just let the sand sink into the glue. And you may need to leave it a little bit longer, but then shake off the excess sand. And, oh, that's good. Yeah, looks all right, doesn't it? Look at that. See what's happened here? All the stringy bits are raised and give it a great 3D effect that almost looks as if it's carved out of stone. And then just paint all of those individual sections and do them in a real bright tribal warrior face paint colour. And you can use poster paint or acrylic paint for this. And it's a good idea to paint the whole thing in bright colours, but those raised stringy bits, if you do them in black, you could even do them in black felt tip pen. When the whole thing's done, it looks absolutely brilliant. Look at this. Let me just put that to one side. And there it is. Look at that. And you see all the raised string bits here, I've painted black. Well, I did some of them with a felt tip pen because it was a lot easier. And there it is, an Aztec style sand picture. And you can do any style you like, actually. You could always do an animal sand picture. Or what about a sun and moon sand picture? And I did this rounded shape by drawing round a large dinner plate. Try it yourself, a sand picture, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!